The Old Harbor police in St. Catherine are searching for two suspects who reportedly shot and killed a taxi operator on Saturday night. The deceased has been identified as Lambert Simpson, otherwise called Algie, 51 years old, of Lennonville Road, Old Harbor. It is reported that Simpson had just driven home in his Toyota Probox motor car about 10:30 p.m. when he was pounced upon by men who brandished guns and shot him repeatedly. His attacker then stole his vehicle, which was later found abandoned nearby. The police were summoned and Simpson was found in his yard with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to his upper body. He was subsequently rushed to Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police are yet to establish a motive for the killing. A visitor from the United States was shot dead and another man injured while at a burial at the Medares Memorial Gardens in Spanish Town, St. Catherine yesterday afternoon. The dead woman has been identified as 57-year-old Shernette Armand from Brooklyn, New York. The injured man, who is 23, has been released from the hospital. Information reaching Observer Online indicates that around 3 p.m., both persons were among patrons leaving a burial when they were pounced upon by a gunman. Police said the gunman opened fire at their motor vehicle before escaping. Harman was shot in the head and upper body while the man sustained injuries to his right hand. They were rushed to hospital where Harman was pronounced dead and the man treated and released. No motive has been established for the attack, the police said. Gunmen posing as cops murdered 3 men in Chisholm Avenue in St. Andrew on Saturday morning. The dead men have been identified as 28-year-old Mason Alex Orlando Ricketts, 31-year-old Nava Fata Ricketts, also a Mason, and Ricardo Dwight Henry, otherwise called Rasta, a 48-year-old delivery man. The deceased are all from the same address on Chisholm Avenue in Kingston 13. The Ricketts are brothers and Henry is their cousin, the police said. It was reported that around 1:15 a.m., 3 men armed with rifles and posing as police officers entered the premises and took the 3 men from their dwelling house. It was further reported that the gunmen led them at gunpoint to another dwelling house on the premises where they opened gunfire, hitting all 3 men in the upper body and killing them on the spot. The gunmen then made their escape on foot in the area.